As I work with brands from around the world, I keep seeing the same challenge come up. Leaders and teams are being asked to unlock huge results on a shoestring, all while managing burnouts, constant change fatigue, and all the uncertainty around us. So asking them to take bold risks and unlock genuine innovation right now, well, that's only going to work if they're feeling ready and confident to take action. And that's where I come in. I'm Amale, and my sessions are designed to help leaders and their teams skip the endless planning and start taking bold action instead. Because leaders and teams that do well through all this disruption, they're not waiting to feel ready, and they definitely don't have all the answers either. Instead, they're willing to experiment, adapt, and navigate change together, fast. My talks and workshops are experiential, grounded in real stories from real teams, and designed to spark immediate action. They give your audience the mindsets, tools, and frameworks they need to lead with clarity and confidence, and build a culture of experimentation that unlocks real sustainable business growth. So if you're designing your next conference, leadership offsite, or retreat, and you want a whole lot more than just inspiration, then let's talk. We'll build a session that meets your audience where they are today and leaves them feeling energized, empowered, and equipped with what they need to lead through whatever comes next.